Hey guys, welcome back to another short video. In this tutorial I just needed for this project an ID map to be made fast and easy, so I'm going to use Zbrush to separate the letter for zipper, iron, steel, and also the belt. So let's go to Zbrush, and I have this project. As you can see, it's a heart that will be with the texture of letter, and right now it's one single object. My way of creating the ID map for Substance Painter is just go to polygroup and then press auto group. Now I just need to edit the mesh that I want on different groups or similar, so I need to hide this one because I do not need the bigger heart, so Ctrl Shift. So this pocket I want them to be together, so let's go for, actually let's hide the belt, and this I need together, so Ctrl, let's mask it, make sure you mask it all, and Ctrl W, and now it's one object. Let's hide it. This one I want in the same with the zipper, so I need to hide this one, and also this one. So let's Control and mask these two, and actually I only need this, so let's hide and hide. So now we can press Ctrl W. Now we can hide also. Obviously there are way too many polygroups, so what I need to do is just go and Ctrl Shift, lasso, and let's hide this one. Or you can make it still, also doesn't matter. This is some sort of stitches, so I do not need them, like a steel, iron. Now that we have this one, we can press directly Ctrl W, and where we have iron or steel will be both. I need to do one more thing, so let's unhide everything, and I need to select this one. Okay, hide, okay, and I want to select this pocket, so press Ctrl W. Now we have one mesh, and I think one more thing, but doesn't matter for now. Let's make one mesh, also this one, Ctrl W, but it will be letters. Maybe if you want something different, actually Ctrl W to make a different color. I do not like this color, it's too close to the belt, so I just need to hide it some. Okay, Ctrl W. Yep, it's better now. Now we can go to polypaint. We can also let's have one divide, so let's go to polypaint, and now we can press polypaint from polygroups. Perfect. We can go to texture. Actually, let's go for UV and go for 4K, and then texture, and create new from polypaint. And there we go, we have easily the ID color for Substance Painter. You can export it by just pressing clone texture, export, but you need to go to Photoshop and flip it vertical. But also we can go to Z plugin, let's drag it over here, and then let's go for export map, multi-map exporter, sorry, Usually it's selected displacement and just uncheck it. Go for texture from polypaint. You can go to 4K, make sure the flip vertically is on. We can go to export option and we can change the format JPEG TIFF, and then texture map. I already make it ID map. Press enter, press OK, and now let's go to creator maps, and I'm going to create it a new one, ID map on desktop. Press OK, and that should be all. Perfect. Now let's go to Substance Painter. I already have the maps baked, and then let's go to select ID. Oh, sorry, we need to go to import resources, add resource. Let's go to desktop and select our ID map, open. We can go to texture and we can just current session, import. Now if we go to select ID, if we search ID map, I don't remember the color, I have too many, so let's go to check it to Zbrush. Okay, so it's bluish. This one is now we have it. So let's make a quick test. So I have small materials, and let's search my material. I have bought some materials over internet and it's working a bit hard because I import them all in Substance Painter. So I have this heart letter. This is created by me especially for this project. And then let's go and search for steel. If you don't find this type of steel, is because I have so many small material bought and I'm not sure which one is from default Substance Painter, but let's go with this one, put it on top. Let's close it for now, and now we can go and make it add the black mask, and now we can right click and add a color selection, and there you go, we have our ID mask, and we can go and pick colors. So actually let's Ctrl Z, let's pick this, let's pick this one, yes, and also we need to pick this one. Perfect. And there you go, we have different material on different places. We can go for more information. And there we go, everything is in place. The normal map is way too strong. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Take care.